Ethereum is buzzing right now, and you'll want to pay attention. Just this week, there have been significant developments that could impact how retail investors like you engage with this leading blockchain. With new regulatory conversations heating up, the stakes are higher than ever. What does this mean for your investments? Some analysts are even predicting a surge in Ethereum's value as the market reacts to these changes. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? Stick around as we break down what's happening live and how you can navigate these shifting tides in the crypto landscape. Trust me, you won't want to miss this crucial information that could affect your portfolio this week. As we dive into the latest developments surrounding Ethereum, it's crucial to note that its current price hovers around $1,800, reflecting a 5% increase over the past week. This uptick has many retail investors feeling optimistic about its short-term potential. On the regulatory front, the SEC has signaled a willingness to explore clearer guidelines on cryptocurrency assets, specifically addressing how they categorize tokens like Ethereum. This newfound clarity could pave the way for more institutional investments, which means platforms like Coinbase are gearing up to accommodate increased trading activity. Furthermore, BlackRock recently made headlines by filing for an Ethereum-focused exchange-traded fund, or ETF. If approved, this could open the floodgates for mainstream investors, adding billions of dollars to the Ethereum market. For those considering the long-term potential, this is a significant development to watch. The interest from both retail traders and institutional players suggests a vibrant market environment. For U.S. retail investors, the prospect of investing in a regulated Ethereum ETF not only broadens options, but also enhances legitimacy in the eyes of the wider public. Imagine being able to invest in Ethereum through your existing brokerage account at Fidelity or Robinhood, streamlining the process significantly. As we look ahead, the combination of these factors, growing regulatory support, potential ETF approval, and rising prices creates a compelling case for Ethereum. Investors should stay informed and consider how these dynamics could influence their strategies in the coming weeks. With the momentum building, now's the time to evaluate your positions and think about the role Ethereum could play in your investment journey. Make sure you're ready to adapt to this rapidly changing landscape, as opportunities abound for those who stay ahead of the curve. As Ethereum continues to gain traction, let's break down how a U.S. retail investor might navigate this landscape in real terms. Imagine you decide to invest $1,000 in Ethereum this week. With the latest price hovering around $1,800, your purchase would net you approximately 0.56 ETH. Now, let's look at two popular platforms, Coinbase and Kraken. On Coinbase, you'd pay around 0.60% in fees for a transaction of this size. That means you'd be paying about $6 for the purchase. So, your total investment effectively becomes $994 after the fees. Meanwhile, if you choose Kraken, their fee structure is a bit different. For a similar trade, you'd incur a fee of about 0.26%, which translates to roughly $2.60. That leaves you with an effective investment of $997.40. While the difference seems small, it can add up over time, especially if you're trading frequently. But here's what nobody is saying. The platform you choose can significantly impact your long-term returns. If Ethereum's price moves to $2,000 in the coming week, your investment on Coinbase would be worth approximately $1,120, while Kraken would bring you to about $1,120.80. That's a mere $0.80 difference. But remember, this scenario assumes you're only trading once. If you plan to trade more often, those fees can compound. A retail investor making 10 transactions could end up paying $60 on Coinbase versus just $26 on Kraken. This difference underscores the importance of selecting the right trading platform based on your trading habits and investment strategy. And don't forget about taxes. The IRS treats any gain from this trade as a capital gain, so keeping track of your purchase prices and fees is crucial for accurate reporting come tax season. In this evolving Ethereum landscape, being mindful of fees and the platforms you choose can enhance your investment strategy and keep your returns in check. Stay sharp and consider how each decision can ripple through your investment journey. If you're looking to make the most of Ethereum this week, let's break down some actionable steps you can take. First up, consider setting a budget for your Ethereum investments. Aim to invest no more than 10% of your portfolio in Ethereum to ensure you're diversified. You can use platforms like Coinbase or Kraken to make your purchases easily, and both allow you to set recurring buy orders if you prefer dollar cost averaging. Next, explore DeFi opportunities on Ethereum. With various protocols available, you could consider allocating a portion of your Ethereum to lending platforms like Off or Compound. This could potentially earn you interest on your holdings, allowing your investment to grow while you hold. Don't forget about staking. If you have at least 32 ETH, you could stake it directly through the Ethereum network to earn rewards over time. For those with smaller amounts, platforms like Kraken offer a way to participate in staking with lower thresholds, allowing you to earn passive income from your holdings. Lastly, ensure your assets are secure. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor to store your Ethereum safely. This adds an extra layer of protection against hacks and theft, giving you peace of mind as you navigate this volatile market. Remember, keep track of all your transactions. This will be vital come tax season, when you need to report any gains or losses. By following these steps, you'll be better positioned to make informed decisions in the Ethereum space this week. As we look ahead to the next 90 days, Ethereum's potential for growth could be remarkable, especially with the upcoming updates and developments on the horizon. Will we see a surge in interest from retail investors as these changes roll out? Make sure to keep an eye on trading platforms like Coinbase and Kraken, which will be key players in this unfolding story. Subscribe to the channel for daily crypto updates and let us know in the comments. What are your expectations for Ethereum's performance in the coming months?